Welcome back. So we did the product collection here, and it's looking great. So now let's add some fix here, and I click on this button arrow here. Nothing is happening, and we still have this bar here, which I don't want to display like this. Okay, and you can go to make a change as you wish to make it look great. It's really up to you. So let's go back to our repository and let's look for feature product.css, and you're gonna copy this and you're gonna go back to VS Code, and just inside the style we're going to paste it inside the feature product like this. All right, and save it, and let's see if it's gonna take a change. I think I did it wrongly, and let's see. This is our code, and it seems like, yeah, it's like change. Okay, maybe we need to add this scrollbar hide as a class, so I'm gonna copy that and add it here as a class like this, and I'm gonna save it, and we should be okay like this. So maybe this should be outside, not inside like this. So let's remove it inside the feature product. So we're gonna make it outside because it is a class. So we're gonna have a scrollable class like this, and this one is going to be like this. Perfect. So I'm gonna save it, and we are good. We don't have this bar anymore. So now let's fix this JavaScript. Okay, if I click, as you can see, nothing is happening. So let's go back to our repository. I added some file in JavaScript, and I called it collection home.js. okay, and just copy everything you have here, copy that. Let's go back to VS Code, and just below our style we can create another tag here. We can either use the script or either use the Shopify dynamic JavaScript, but I will go with the script for now, and I will save it. And if I go back to my VS Code and I refresh, and I believe that we're going to be able to scroll. Perfect. So before to let you go, let me show you something. Let me go to my VS Code here. So we have this feature product. If I reload the page, everything works correctly. Yeah, so everything works greatly, no problem. Even for the mobile, we have everything working normally. Great. So now let's duplicate this code, or let's add it again. So I'm gonna go to add section, and I can add again this, the same like we did earlier. Because it is Shopify, we can do it because of the JSON. Let's say I will give it like a random name. So let's say random title. Let's say I want to give it to be uppercase. And now let's choose again the product. I will start from the bottom, and I will choose this like this. And we have 10. I will select it, and I will save it. So let's go back and to see how is it looking. So far nothing different. So we have the text here, it seems to be normal, and here we have it to be uppercase. Let's go back again to be sure that our text here, okay, let's make it to be normal, or yeah, let's leave it like this. And so far there is no issue at all. Okay, so it seems like everything works perfectly. But now look, if I click on this button, and it seems like it's like sliding without any problem. And if I click here, and as you can see, it's not sliding. But if I click on top, it's sliding. It is the same code with different title, with different product, with the same JavaScript, but here on top I can slide, and on the bottom here, or even I create 3, 4, 5 of the same section, I can't use the button click to slide. So why is that? So even though you go to JavaScript, you start to write like a bunch of codes there to make it work, it's not going to work that easily, or maybe not. So there is a way to fix this issue. So to fix this problem, we need to use what Shopify provides, and it's called section.id. So I will first try to show it here. So you use double curlies and you write section.id, and when you save it, and if you go back to inspect, for example, and we're going to have this code like this here. And just to verify, we have the ID feature product, and is what we have here. Okay, and is displaying like this section ID, because every time you're creating a section, Shopify is creating some identifier for that, and this is this identifier right here. Okay, so we can use this identifier and to prefix it with either the ID or to add it like inside some classes and to prefix it with some kind of name of the class. Alright, so let's try it, because as you can see, we have ID, we have for the first section here, we have this feature product ID here, and if I go a little bit down like this, and we have this feature product also here, but we don't have this ID like we do have on top here. So let's try to use it with the ID, for example. So I'm gonna cut it from here, and I will come inside the ID, and I will add a hyphen or a dash, and I will just paste it like this. We can do the same for a class as well if you want to. So if I save it now and I go back to my code and I refresh, and let's try now to inspect again. So we have the feature ID, and inside we have the feature product dash template blah 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 blah. Okay, and we have the same also here. And as you can see, the ID must be different, and it is not. That's very strange. Yes, the ID is different, yes, because here, as you can see, we have featured product hyphen template. We have this ID here, it looks the same like on top, and then we have featured product like here, but a little bit on the second section we have this added extra ID here. Okay, so this is gonna help us to target a specific section and to apply JavaScript on it. Alright, so I'm not going to do it here because you already have everything needed. So you just go ahead, you go target the ID or add it inside the class, and you're going to modify the JavaScript accordingly. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye.